Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. Welcome to the weekly update. I'm really sorry this is late, but because I'm doing a lot of back testing this weekend, and that's why I was unable to make the video and all that. So without wasting the time, let's get started. हम लोग यहाँ पर Nifty analyze करेंगे this week के लिए. So Nifty is pretty much exactly doing what we have forecasting for the week. Now we are so close to the top that we are expecting Nifty to take this top in this week. Now, can they go down directly from here? Based on this pattern, they can, but I don't see that still in the charts. What am I looking at? Once you come to this top, that will be a key point for the market. Keep in mind, guys, this is not a resistance. That's why we are actually saying that this is a key point. I'm not gonna sell the market once the market comes here. All right. The key point is when the market reach here, what pattern does it create, what structure does it make. Based on that, actually we can execute either this trade or this trade. So this week is actually really important for the market. We're gonna deciding the move ahead of the month, and that's the perspective. Now right now they're breaking this structure, which means any buy setup I see, I'll take it, but that will be very short term buy setup. If I get a sell setup based on this structure, I'll get a short term sell also, which means this market is not for long term, which that means not for 15-20 days positional trade as of now. So if you want to trade it positionally, you have to wait for the market to tag this, and then we can decide what we can do with this. Alright guys, so I hope I make sense on that. It's a little advanced for the beginners, but that's the view on Nifty from India Trading Academy. I'll see you guys next time. I'm really sorry this is a little quick, but as I said, I'm doing a lot of back testing, so I have to go back to that. Alright guys, so this is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.